If x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, then x minus y is equal to 1. Find the value of x and y. Hi everyone, welcome to my class. In today's class, we want to look at how to find the value of x and y from this given equation. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to 1. So we want to know the value of x. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Solution. Then we have x squared plus y squared equal to 1. Let's call this equation 1. Then we have x minus y equal to 1. Let's call this equation 2. Now, what do we do from equation 2? Let's make either x or y the subject of the formula. From equation 2, this implies that we have x to be equal to 1 plus y, or y plus 1. That is, if this minus y cross the other side, become plus. Then let's substitute for x in equation 1. Then we have, this implies that anywhere you see x, put y plus 1 there. We have y plus 1 square plus y square equal to 1. This implies that we have y plus 1 square plus y square to be equal to 1. But we know that if you have a plus b square, is the same thing as a square plus 2ab plus b square. And in this case, our a is y and our b is 1. Then this implies that we have y square plus 2 multiplied by y multiplied by 1 plus 1 square plus this y square equal to 1. Then this implies that we have y square plus 2y plus 1 plus y square equal to 1. Now, what do we do? Y square is here and y square here. Y square plus y square, we have 2y square. This implies that 2y square plus 2y plus 1 equal to 1. Now, what next? This implies that we have 2y square plus 2y equal to 1. If this plus 1 cross the other side, become minus 1. This implies that we have 2y square plus 2y equal to 0. Now from here, 2y square and 2y. This implies that we have, let's factor it, 2y into y plus 1 equal to 0. This implies that 2y equal to 0 or y plus 1 equal to 0. From here as well, you may also divide both sides by 2. If you divide by 2, you have y squared plus y equal to 0. That is from here, sorry. From here, you may also divide both sides by 2. That is, if you divide by 2, you have y squared plus y is equal to 0. Now, let's proceed. This implies that we have 2y over 2 equal to 0 over 2. This one will cancel this. Y will be equal to 0. Then from y plus 1 is equal to 0. Here, let's check. We have y plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1. So we have y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. Now let's substitute for y is equal to 0 or y is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Because equation 2 is we have x minus y equal to 1. Now anywhere you see y, you put either 0 or minus 1 there. Let's substitute. This implies that at y equal to 0, we have x minus 0 equal to 1. Therefore, s is equal to 1. Also, at y equal to minus 1, we have x minus y equal to 1. Then when y is equal to minus 1, we have x minus into minus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, we have x plus 1 equal to 1. We have s is equal to 1. This is plus 1. If it crosses to the other side, it becomes minus 1. Minus 1. Therefore, s is equal to 0. Now, the corresponding value of x and y are y equal to 0, then s is equal to 1, then y equal to minus 1, s is equal to 0. Those are the value of x and y. When y is equal to 0, s is equal to 1. Then when y is equal to minus 1, s is equal to 0. Then we can check. We may check to confirm our answer if we want to check. Let me check using equation 2 only. We have x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Then we have x minus y equal to 1. Now, let's check using this. If you also check using equation 1, you will get the right thing. We have s is what? 1 minus what is y is 0. Then is it equal to 1? Equal to what? Then 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. It satisfies the given equation. Then let's see when y is equal to minus 1. X minus y is equal to 1. Then we have s is equal to what here? 0. Y is equal to minus 1. We have minus into minus 1. Then we have 0. We have 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. You can see that it satisfies the given equation. So if you want to use the first one to s squared, let's see. We have s squared plus y squared must be equal to 1. Now, when y is equal to 0 and s is equal to 1, we have 1 squared plus 0 is equal to what? 1 squared is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. It satisfies the given equation. Then, when y is equal to minus 1 and s is equal to 0, let's see. We have 0, we have s squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Then we have 0 plus minus 1 square. Then minus 1 square is same thing as 1. We have 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, which satisfies the given equation. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So our corresponding value of x and y are y is equal to 0, s is equal to 1, and y is equal to minus 1, s is equal to 0. Thank you.